Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, let's jump into a look. I'm gonna use actually this palette from Juvia's place, the berries. I don't even know if this is still available. Who knows? I'll be like just using whatever. We're gonna go into this shade right here and just put it right here. And this is on Morphe Y210. And just now look at this pimple. It was never that bad. I mess with it because something is wrong with me. Like right here is so dry. And just keep applying more. Now I'm gonna use this brush from Rephr. It is the brush number 15, and I'm gonna go into this middle shade right here. Not a lot, and I'm just gonna like blend this. Okay, now that is done. But this will work. This is from It Cosmetics, and I just need a little bit of glitter glue for the center. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use Disco. So this is from Peaches and Cream, and it's just their glitters. These are so pretty, and like you literally need like the smallest amount. Like look at this. And I literally took that from the cover. And this. Back to this brush. Okay, so perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let us put a little bit of this. You know, I have learned that less is more with this. So this is my corrector from Huda Beauty. And then from primer, let's use this Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel from Tula. I don't know if I like this. I don't like how it like kind of stays on there, girls. It melts, but I just don't like that initial application, I guess. I don't know. It's not like it's a little weird. It's a little weird. I'm gonna use this. This is actually new from Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. Just a little bit, more than a little bit. Actually, I think I need a little. I know I'm like, oh, I need a little bit. I don't like the top of this. It's a little bit prickly. Like it's a little sharp, and I'm using my Love is the Foundation brush. Is it October? I feel like this is a little yellow. It's supposed to be like breast cancer month. Is it? Yeah, I think it is October, which is when they usually bring this brush. But the last few years, I think they've changed like the texture of the brush is not as good. So I think I haven't gotten it maybe like the last 2 or 3 years, because the one I got before that was not that great. So I'm like, maybe I don't need to get it. So my ace is actually not working. We're kind of trying to get somebody to come fix it. But in the mornings, like I literally just, need to have my, how you call that? My fix, which is my tea. Because I'm obsessed with my tea. I gotta have it. But it's so hot. So I have my Dyson fan like right here. Now let us go in with some NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream in shade Laguna 4. With my Lithe Flawless Concealer brush. Then we're gonna use this brush right here from Morphe, and just make sure you're bringing this up to create this shadow. Then top. These, I feel like I have either the foundation stick that I'm using for contour or my contour. I think I have that pretty down pat on the quality of the ones I get, because I feel like they just blend. I like to bring it a little bit more to my hairline, so it's like with this, maybe I could also have gotten away with Laguna 3, but I don't know. I think I like my contour a little bit darker, so which helps when I'm testing out a foundation that's like, ow, kind of, lights. I can use, okay, maybe I leave this a little bit too long because I have a fan like blowing on me, so yeah. And I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty powder in shade Banana Bread. And the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Broken Sephora Micro Smooth powder. That's not the name. It's not, Broken is not in the name, but mine is broken. So love me some tea. More like obsessed. So I'm gonna use this powder from Kiss by the Dayani from Fesca for my bronzer. Ooh. So this is another one of these things that it's really good, but it's really powdery. Just kind of blends, but forgot how much I love this. And I'm gonna use my Japonesque brush with some blush from House Lab, and this one is in Dragon Days. My nose is itchy. Ooh. And then for my lip, I'm gonna use not this, maybe this. This is Rich Brown from Huda Beauty. This is my way of kind of just like diffusing this a bit. And I'm gonna use Chill from Tower. I'm gonna put this from Patrick Tar, and this is Cream. So I'm not gonna put any, like, well, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna put it all over because I'm not really in the mood, but I'm gonna put a little of these right here, of the same Disco from Peaches and Cream, just a little dab. First, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a what? This is a T4, and we're gonna go into that Mango Twinkle Twinkle Rodeco Dragon, and we're gonna put it right here. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this. Nice. Let's put a little bando, because that thing look really dirty. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. Nice, simple, you know, just a cutesy little look. I know I didn't put anything there because I wasn't trying to go too crazy. But yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.